Hello guys, and welcome to an update on my Arcteryx gore-tex Pro Shell fix. A couple of months ago I took this Arcteryx jacket and fixed it with a waterproof seam tape. I thought I'd test it out a couple of months before I put it online. I've used it 6-7 times and have not noticed any tear and wear in those seams that I've put on. So I guess for the price I will recommend this seam tape. I will be putting a link in the description. So what I did, I will show you in this video coming up here. Hi guys, and welcome to a kind of different video. I have this Arcteryx jacket that I've had for 5-6 years. It's now starting to dissolve. It has gone up where it has been glued. I'll show you some of the repairs I need to do. So here is the arm. I have turned it inside out so I can glue it, and then I will put some waterproof tape over here using my iron, steam iron. The first thing you want to do is get tension in this room where you put in the arm. I just use a pencil that measured out and cut off the end, so it's about so it holds the tension when I glue it first. So I just roll it over itself. It worked fine on the other arm. Just make sure you don't use too much glue so it spills out and glue stuck this fold. So now I will let it dry, and when it has dried for a while now, I will come back and use this tape. Just heat heat the iron. I'll be using a baking paper to not burn the jacket, and you should put a towel underneath. I leave it on for no more than 10 seconds at a time. Have a look. It has melted good, but I want it to be less white and more transparent. Then you know it has melted enough. Now the pencil went out. It's not ideal. It's almost there. I have a small edge there which I don't want to attach. There you go. Almost finished. Yeah, I think that's as good as it gets. I have a little more here. So. Yes, that looks good. I'll just let it sit for a few minutes to cool down, then I'll take out the pencil. Well, that's all, guys. Thank you for following this. I will be coming with a video update when I have used the jacket for a while. See if it holds up. As you can see on this jacket, there are no visible signs that it has been repaired, so that was the main goal. If I could do it for a couple of bucks, I would be happy, even though I maybe have to do it repeatedly over time, because it's maybe not as strong as the original seams. That doesn't matter. I used the repairs I did. Took half an hour, and if if it lasts me a long time, it's all worth it.